Hey guys, what's up? In this video I want to show you a really cool tool that I developed myself that can help you improve your website SEO by scraping your website content, and then with the help of AI, with the help of GPT-4, you can analyze the website. GPT-4 will tell you exactly where are the low-hanging fruits, how you can improve your website, or even if you have errors on your website. And this tool, yeah, like I said, I developed myself and I want to show you this tool. So let me open this tool, and this tool is made for macOS and also for Windows. So let me open the tool real quick. I installed this tool already on my Mac. So this is the tool. Let me open this, and here you can see the tool. This has a relatively easy dashboard. You can see here, this is the dashboard. Here you can put in your URL, your website URL, or even a URL from a competitor, and then you can analyze the website. And here we have a settings page. This is my old key, so we have to input a scraper stack API key, and also your OpenAI API key. So in order, this scraper stack will scrape your website or any website you want, your competitor website. And here you have to input your personal OpenAI API key, so that we can use ChatGPT or GPT-4 in order to analyze the website and give us recommendation for improvement of the website. And yeah, we are using, for scraping the website, we are using this tool or this API. This tool is free. They have a free plan. So let me show you pricing. We go to the pricing. This is really cool. So you can register here for free, and then you will get 100 requests. And yeah, this is I think more than enough. Of course, if you want to scrape more per month, if you want to scrape more, then yeah, of course you have to upgrade. But for simple website analyzation, you can go with the free plan. Simply sign up, and then you will see your API key. Let me make this smaller, and then you can input the API key here. Then you can click on save, and also, like I said, OpenAI key. So then let me show you how this works. So I already signed up and got my API key. Let me copy this, let me paste this in here, and then save API key. Then here you can see API key saved successfully. And also we need the OpenAI key. Let me copy this key real quick. So, and all this of course will get saved locally on your computer when you installed this app. On your Windows computer or on your Macintosh computer, all the API keys will get saved locally on your computer, so no one can see this. And let me put my OpenAI API key. So then here we can test the connection. If your API key is correct, let's click on test. And here you can see my API key is valid. Then I will click on save OpenAI key. And also, if you are not sure how to get this API key, then you can click here on get your OpenAI key. Then you will get forwarded to the website from OpenAI, where you can register your account. Or if you already have a ChatGPT account, then you can use, of course, these credentials to acquire the API key. And also, I wrote a complete blog post about this on my LinkedIn page. I will also put the link in the video description down below, so you can check it out. And there also you can see how you can download this tool. You can download my tool that I developed for free. It is free for macOS and Windows. Here I wrote everything in detail. You can check it out. Link in the description down below. Here is the link, the download link. And yeah, you can read everything in detail. And also somewhere here, here are the links. Yeah, how to get your OpenAI API key, and here how to get the free scraper stack API key. And yeah, then also if you want to check out the GitHub repository, you can click here. I made it public on my GitHub account, so you can check the code if you want, or you can modify the code if you want to have more features in the application. And yeah, but then back to the application. So this is the application. Now we put in the scraper stack API key and also the OpenAI API key. Then we can go to the dashboard. Yeah, and here in the dashboard we can put in our URL. And when you want to use these features, then render JavaScript. So for example, when you want to extract a JavaScript code, then you have to go with the Pro plan. And also when you want to use proxy servers, then also you have to go with the Pro plan. And here, if you want to have a proxy from a different country, then you can put it in here, for example, Germany or US or Great Britain or something like this. And let's, for example, I searched here on Google for a roofing company, Birmingham, Alabama. So let's say this is our website. Let's go to a website here. Let's check out this website. Let's say this is our company. This is our website that we want to optimize or want to check out and optimize the SEO. See, it's a really simple website. Let's copy the URL of this website. Make this smaller, and let's paste the URL in here. And then all we have to do is click here on scrape, and then you can see scraping in progress. Okay, now the scraping process is finished. You can see here all the raw data that we have scraped from the website. And now the fun part begins. Now you can see we got different options here. We can set the output language. So if you have a Spanish speaking website or a German speaking website, then of course you can choose the language. Here you can see we have an analyze with GPT-4. When we click here, then GPT-4 will analyze this website. So here is the raw analyze of the website. We can save this, we can copy this, we can generate social media content. So when this is, for example, your website, and when you want to make some social media content, then you can simply click here, and then GPT-4 will generate different social media content for us. You can save it, you can copy it. If you want to improve your website, you can click here on generate metadata. And these metadata is optimized. We can generate FAQs. So when you want, for example, we will generate FAQ schema data. You can export this directly as a JSON file. So, or you can copy this. When you export the JSON file, then you can of course import it into your website. Here generate title and meta suggestions. You can click here. Here you can see we have different optimized title tags and meta descriptions. So when you are not sure what kind of meta descriptions you want to use for your website, then you can use these optimizations. And you can see it is optimized for SEO, so on. The SEO score, this is really interesting, I think. When we click here on estimate SEO score, then you can check your SEO score. So here you can see this website has a SEO score of 60 to 65. So that's not that great. Then you can of course optimize your website with content, with the right meta structure. And then you can run the process again. You can scrape the website again, and then you can see if you or how much you improve your website from an SEO score standpoint. So then, and here this is also really interesting custom SEO strategy. So when you don't know where to start, what's the best strategy to improve your website, then you can simply click here. And here you can see the different priority levels, what you should prioritize in the SEO optimization process. You can see this here, EAT, how to improve your different SEO factors, EAT, keyword optimization, the heading structure optimization, and so on. This is relatively nice to have. So then you have something to work with, and when you did all the process, then you can rescrape your website. You simply go here on top and then you click on scrape again. Then your website will get scraped again, and then you can see the results here, and then you can do this again. Click on generate the SEO score again, or generate a custom SEO strategy, and then the tool will generate the new SEO strategy for you, and so on and so forth. So I think this tool is really helpful, and all you have to do is put in your OpenAI key here and your free Scraperstrike API key here. I will put all the links in the video description down below. I will put in the link to this blog post here, where you can check out everything, how you get the different API keys, where you can download this tool, and so on. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I think this is everything for the videos. And let me know in the comments down below, do you like the tool? Do you find this interesting? And if you learned something new in the video, if you found the video informative, then please press the thumbs up button. And also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.